Hello everyone, so let's move on to the next question, question number 9. So in this case, we're dealing with, it looks like it's going to be integration. Let's move on with the question. So the diagram shows the curve y equals to 4 plus 2 cos 3x intersecting the line y equals to 5 at the points P and Q. So part 1, we want to find in terms of pi, the x coordinates of P and Q. So immediately we are given the y coordinates of both P and Q, they both share the same y. We want to find the x coordinates, right? So we're going to substitute y equals to 5 equals to 4 plus 2 cos 3x. Okay? Now, we want to make x as a subject. So you have 2 cos 3x is equals to 5 minus 4, that's 1. So cos 3x is going to be equals to 1 over 2. Okay? Now do note that when you're looking at the diagram right now, P is in the negative region of x, Q is in the positive region of x. So when we are dealing, what we're going to deal here is that we're going to have a plus minus of 1 over 2. Okay, so we have A here in the positive region and also A here in the negative region. So in the positive region, you'll have theta, but in the negative region, you'll have negative theta instead. So what we're going to do is now we're going to bring the cos to the other side. We'll have cos inverse of negative 1 to 1 over 2, which x is equals to pi over 3. Right, we should still have 3 there. So pi over 3 and also negative pi over 3. Then we want to move the 3 to the other side. We're going to have pi over 9 and negative pi over 9. So these are our two x coordinates, but we need to know which one is which one is P, which one is Q. So for P, x coordinate, I'm going to write down negative pi over 9 because it's in the negative region of x, and then it has 5. Then for Q, it's going to be positive pi over 9 to 5. Now let's move on to the next part. So our next part is 6 mark question. That's a very big one. Now we want to find the exact area of the shaded region. You must show all your working. Now we're going to be dealing with integration here, and a good thing is that we've already found the intersection of P and Q, the x coordinates. So I can write that down as pi over 9 and negative pi over 9, and we are going to integrate 4 plus 2 cos 3x dx. Okay, so we're going to integrate this first. So when we integrate this, we will get square brackets 4x plus cos becomes sine, so that's 2 sine 3x, and when we differentiate the 3x, it becomes 3, so that's divide by 3 because you're doing differentiation. Then we have pi over 9 negative pi over 9. All right, so now let's move on with finding the area of this curve. So we have 4 bracket pi over 9 plus, I'm going to put a bracket here, 2 sine 3 pi over 9 over 3 close bracket minus bracket 4 negative pi over 9 and plus 2 sine 3 bracket negative pi over 9 over 3. Okay, so let's plug everything into the calculator. Wait, it says exact area, so we have to be careful. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 4 pi over 9. We'll slowly expand this. Then for the sine, we're going to have root 3 over 3. Okay, then minus negative 4 pi over 9, then plus bracket negative root 3 over 3. Okay, so then let's finalize everything here. We should have 4 pi over 9 plus 4 pi over 9. That's going to give you 8 pi over 9. Then root 3 plus root 3, negative times negative, is going to give you positive 2 root 3 over 3. We're not done yet. This is only the area of the curve. So we've only found the area of this, okay, this whole thing, the shaded plus the ones below. Now we don't need the area of the ones below here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the formula of area of rectangle. Yeah, so that's our second step, right? So area of rectangle is going to be length times breadth, where our length is going to be the distance between the two coordinates, right? So x, the y is the same, so that is going to be pi over 9 minus negative pi over 9, and then times 5 itself. So you're going to get 2 pi over 9 times 5. Then our final answer is going to be 10 pi over 9. Okay, now let's finalize this. We want to find the area of shaded region. That's going to be the area of the curve, which is the first step that we did, minus the area of the rectangle, which is the second step that we did. So we are going to write down 8 pi over 9 plus 2 root 3 over 3 minus 10 pi over 9. Then we are going to get 2 root 3 over 3 minus 2 pi over 9. And that's your final answer. All right.